Speak louder now. How which one be this?
Your name, sir.
They embarrass ourselves again.
Wait 1 minute before you start.
No, he said, wait, let him breathe in. Breathe in, out.
What's your name, sir?
Wait, I'm coming. What's your name? Abiola Ibrahim. From where? Ikire. Who are these people? Eh? They are voters. For which election?
The election
Happening
happening today.
today. Are they all residents of Ikire here?
Some of them are images from outside of the.
They were hired.
I do not hear anybody.
You don't hire them. You have to come and vote.
I do not hear anybody.
So they don't have houses. We are going to interview them.
Yes, just now.
Okay. You brought them here when?
Some of them live there. Some of them have the houses and they came here.
Who is the owner of this residence?
My dad
Who is your dad?
is late.
He's late. He doesn't have name.
Baji Ibrahim.
Eh?
Baji Ibrahim.
Haji Ibrahim. Okay. Because we have interviewed some of them. Any agreement? You promise them anything? Oh, it's free. Okay. These are all voters cards from them. Very good. No, no, you should hold it.
Hold the voters card.
Is it not the cover for your hand?
Collect it now. It's not your property.
Hold it well.
Okay. Which party are they here to vote for?
Carry it up.
Raise it up. Eh?
Voting is their choice, so
Voting is their choice. So you are an agent
I'm not
to go and carry them to vote for any party. They cannot go from their houses and to go and vote. Don't compound your problem. Tell us the truth. Which party? Talk now, my man. Eh?
What are these
Wasting my
things?
time. Eh?
property. I'm a member of Accord.
You are a member of Accord. Okay. Thank you.
Which card are you holding? Let me see it.
Which card are you holding?
Belongs to the voters.
Belongs to the voters.
This is up now.
Let's see the cards. So which party do they intend to vote for?
He said he's a member of Accord.
Accord party.
You are a member of
That's all right. No, I thought we do that already. Collect this card.
Ẹni tí wọ́n bá fọ́ àgbọn lórí ẹ̀ kì í dúró jẹ ń bẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa election ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, campaign ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ẹ máa fẹ̀mí wéwu nítorí ẹnìkan. Ẹni tẹ́ ń fẹ̀mí ẹ̀ ń wéwu, ìjẹ́ ọmọ ẹ̀ wà pẹ̀lú yín. Ṣé àwọn lè gbé ọmọ, àwọn lè fọmọ wọn sílẹ̀ láti máa ṣe gbogbo iṣẹ́ dé tòrótòró tẹ̀ ń ṣe? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ̀ ṣe yára yín lọ́pọlọ. Ẹ wá lọ kó àwọn illegal voters, àwọn tí wọ́n tẹ̀ kì í ṣọmọ ìlú yẹn, wá lọ kó wọn pamọ́ síbì kan. Ẹ wá lọ wá fake voters card lọ kó lé wọn lọ́wọ́ láti fi lọ dìbò. Ṣé ẹ rí pé Nàìjíríà ó mà ṣe o. even though ọmọ oyún inú tó wà ní wọ́n ti brainwash ẹ̀, wọ́n ti corrupt wọn. Ẹ lè rí wọn kán ṣe legal something, illegal ní gbogbo nǹkan, gbogbo ibikíbi tẹ́ bá lọ tẹ́ bá di bọ́mọ Nàìjíríà, ẹ lè rí gbogbo nǹkan ayédèrú lẹ́ẹ̀ máa rí lọ́wọ́ wọn. Ẹ̀yin náà imagine irú gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ níbí báyìí. Kí lẹ bá fẹ́ ṣàlàyé fún àwọn ọlọ́pàá tó mú yín sìn, kí ló fẹ́? Ẹ rí pé kò lè sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n ń bèèrè ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ sí kò lè sọ̀rọ̀. Ta ló rán yín níṣẹ́? Ẹ wo àwọn nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú Ọ̀ṣun state lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Ẹ wo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́ṣun state. Ẹ wo bọ́n ṣe ń para wọn. Ẹ wo bọ́n ṣe ń fọ́ra wọn lórí. Orí mi ẹlẹ́dàá mi ò ṣe o. Èmi ò láàbúrò tó ń ṣòṣèlú. The same mindset tí mo ní gbogbo àwọn àbúrò mi. Wọn ò lè gbé òṣèlú sórí nígbà tó rí wọn pé. Tẹ bá fẹ́ ṣòṣèlú wọn ní kẹ́ má ṣe. Ẹ fọpọlọ fi ṣe òṣèlú. Ẹ fọpọlọ yín fi ṣe òṣèlú tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe. Wọn ní kẹ́ má ṣe òṣèlú. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ fọpọlọ ṣe. Ẹ fọpọlọ ṣe. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Presidential election ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o. Lórí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn Yorùbá náà wọ́n rà àwọn ọmọ àlè kan tó jẹ́ pé Àtíkù ni wọ́n á tẹ̀lé. Wọ́n rà àwọn ọmọ àlè kan tó jẹ́ pé Peter Obi ni wọ́n á tẹ̀lé. But pé Tinubu ò ní ṣe second term, irọ́ ni ẹ tutọ́ ẹ̀ dànù. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbáradì àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá. Ẹ máa gbáradì nǹkan ńlá ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ gbà bẹ́ẹ̀. Àwọn Fúlàní lérí pé tí Tinubu bá wọlé ẹlẹ́kejì pé àwọn ò ní gbà. Ọ̀nà wo dẹ̀ náà fẹ́ gbé gbà? Ẹ̀wìn omi. Ọ̀nà wo náà fẹ́ gbé gbà tí second term Tinubu ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀? Wọ́n ń pariwo lọ́tùn lósì. Àwọn nǹkan tí Tinubu ti ṣe kò tí ì sí president ní Nàìjíríà, ní history of Nigeria. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa sọ òótọ́ tó fi jẹ́ pé ẹ̀rọ nìkan lẹ́ẹ̀ máa sọ. Ẹ bá rí nǹkan tẹ̀yàn ṣe ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ. Bí mi ṣe ń ṣe tèmi nìyẹn. A wà lára wa tó criticize pé ẹ má dìbò fún Tinubu. Àwọn nǹkan kan wà tó jẹ́ pé kò sí ẹni tó ṣe rí tó ti ṣe. Ṣé ọjọ́ kan náà ń bọ́ ọmọ tó rù ní? Ẹ wá fẹ́ kí Tinubu tún Nàìjíríà ṣe lọ́jọ́ kan, ṣó possible ni? Ṣó possible? Wọ́n yẹ subsidy. Lọ bá àwọn gómìnà yín kẹ́ bèrè subsidy wà. Allocation tó ń fún wọn. Billions. Wọ́n times 3 allocation tó ń wọnú state mi. Wọ́n times 3 ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú billions. Àwọn gómìnà sọ wọn ò fi ṣe anything. Ẹ wá ń pariwo Tinubu. Tinubu ni. Ẹ jẹ́ ká yára wa lọ́pọ̀lọ́. Ẹni tó bá fẹ́ lọ ilé ìwé ń sìn ó lè lọ yáwó. Ètò ẹ̀ ti wà. But àwọn mélòó ló mọ̀? There's a lot of things tí wọ́n setting. Ẹ wo election tó ń bọ̀ ẹ fọpọlọ ṣe o. Ẹ má para yín o. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ojú wa náà ṣàtìrí gbogbo ẹ̀ bó ṣe ń lọ sìn. Tó bá lọ jẹ́ bó kì í ṣe Tinubu ló wà ńbẹ̀, nǹkan tó ojú wa rí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ààbò. Ṣé rí pé gbogbo ẹ̀ ti lọlẹ̀ díẹ̀. Bó tẹ̀ jẹ́ kí wọ́n ti ṣọṣẹ́ ní Kwara State lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Kwara State. Àwọn agbésùmọ̀mí wọ́n ṣọṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mò ń sọ fún mi. Wọ́n fẹ̀mí èèyàn ṣòfò. Wọ́n wọnú ìlú ní Ìfẹ́lódùn local government. Ìfẹ́lódùn local government. Àwọn agbègbè tí olóyè lọ bẹ̀wò níjọ́sí. Tí wọ́n ti lé àwọn ará ìlú lọ yẹrántí ní Ìfẹ́lódùn ní Kwara State. Wọ́n ṣọṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀ lánàá. Ṣáànà ni àbí ìjẹta ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Ó dà mo ní fídíò yẹn sí bíbá. When all this thing is going to end? Ẹ wo àtìgbà tí olóyè ti jáde ń ṣe ẹ́ rí pé gbogbo ẹ lọlẹ̀. Kò dàbí ti tẹ́lẹ̀. Tí Tinubu bá sí ń bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ kì í ṣe Tinubu ni. Ṣé wọ́n gbogbo eléyìí dáhùn ṣe á lè máa rí ṣe? Ẹ jẹ́ ká fọpọlọ ṣe o. Mi ò wá láti wá campaign o. Ṣùgbọ́n tá a bá gbómi wò tá a gbé po wò ìkan wúwo jura lọ. Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ kó yé wa ni. Ká wà nínú àlàáfíà kò sí èyí tó kàn mí pẹ̀lú election yín. Kí inú ìlú wà lálàáfíà ká ní ààbò gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń fẹ́ ká máa rí. Olùkọ́ táwa wà after. Ṣùgbọ́n eléyìí tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń ṣe tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń para tẹ́ ẹ̀ ránra yín níṣẹ́ dé tùrùtùrù. Tọ́ bá rán ọmọ níṣẹ́ irú yẹ kó fi tọmọ jẹ́ ni. Bí Yorùbá ṣe ń sọ ni. Kẹ́nìkan wá ní kí lọ máa pín voter card illegal voters card fáwọn èèyàn tí kì í ṣe ọmọ inú ìlú. Ṣé mi ní yára mi lọ́pọ̀lọ́? Bá ṣe gbé ìbọn sẹ́lòmíì lọ́wọ́ nìyẹn. Wọn ò lè gbé ìbọn sọ́mọ ọwọ́ ọmọ tiwọn. Sense yín ni kẹ́ ẹ lò.
máa yin tí a gáàsì wọ́n gbé kí nílẹ̀ jáde wọ́n fi ọpẹ́ màtíríà tán tó wọ́n mọ́ta máa yin tí a gáàsì wọ́n tún kọ́ màtíríà lọ sọ fún ọmọ ní o sọ fún ọmọ ní ẹ̀yìn ọlọ́pàá. This is Modaike Wote. Come and see useless policeman. Àwọn olórí burúkú sọ fún ọdún mọ́tò ọgbà yìí ni o. This is their face. Boko ọmọ lẹ́ni o. Useless people. Àwọn yìí tí a gà sáwọn èèyàn. Kò sí já kò sí kankan o. Kò sí já kò sí kankan o. Gbogbo àwọn couples gbogbo àwọn àjọ gbogbo wọn ti sá lọ. Wọ́n ti gbé màtírí àga àti ẹ̀tí everything ò sí calm. Àwọn olórí burúkú àwọn ẹni òfò. Ẹ ti gbà bọ̀dẹ̀. Ẹ ti gbà bọ̀dẹ̀.
We are determined to go through this election peacefully and ensure that the people of Osun State vote for Governor Ademola Adeleke. But on the 16th of August, after the election, at the center of Osogbo, the people of Osun State will build a statue in the name of Gboyega Oyetola, a statue of disgrace and dishonor, to let him understand that the people of Osun State will not subject themselves to his intimidation and his reckless use of government institutions. I saw recently that a governor who has been rated as the poorest, the most unintelligent governor in the history of Nigeria, the worst governor ever to be sworn in as governor in Nigeria, the governor of Edo State, came to Osun State, and he thought the election of Osun State was an opportunity for drama, and he was just talking without control. We want to say to that governor, and we want to tell him that the people of Osun State will not listen to a man who lacks intelligence, who lacks decorum, who lacks character. The people of Osun State will listen to people who are credible, who have history of excellence, and people who have record of what they've done. We have investigated the governor of Edo State and we've realized that he has no record of anything done in his life. He's visiting Osun State for the first time, and he has the audacity to refer to a governor who has served the people diligently with a clear focus and sense of direction, to refer to him as a nobody. So we want you to know, please, gentlemen of the press, you guys are key stakeholders in this coming election. Every opportunity you have to communicate to the general public about that the election of Osun State is a liberation election. And I repeat, the election of Osun State is a liberation election. The people of Osun State will go march forward on the 15th of August and liberate themselves from the shenanigans, from the manacles of Gboyega Oyetola, and ensure that there's liberty. On the 16th of August, we shall declare this state a free state from the impunity of Gboyega Oyetola. The civil servants that they've unleashed